Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to change admin dashboard menu background color in your WordPress website. So let me go back to the dashboard, and now if you want to change this black color to the any color, then how you can do that? You can go to users, then click on all users, then you can click on any of the user, and then here you can see these are the different colors that you can use. For example, I want to use this color. Okay, this also looks much better. And if you want to change this area to the black color, then you can go and install a new plugin. You can search for dark mode. So these are the plugins that lets you customize these background colors in your WordPress